My name is Mohammad Sohailuddin, NSUI Yara District General Secretary. The NSUI students, we the NSUI leaders, we the NSUI army today have got down on all the roads in the BN Reddy to stop all the BTech colleges in the Rangareddy district. So I have seen that BTech colleges have become puppets in the hand of TRS government completely. Why means just we have stopped all the BTech colleges buses today, and from various routes, police have promised us we are sending buses back. We have not damaged anyone. Just in the law side we have run the bun, and today when we have seen that from various routes college buses were moved to college. KCR, dear KCR, note down this correctly. We have got the vote rights now. We have got voting right. All the BTech students have got the voting right. All the educational students and every organization students have got the voting right. Coming elections will be a biggest test of your life to you. I am challenging you. These students you will be lose with a huge majority. Even police have arrested me and they have let me later. I request all the NSUI members to be strong. Don't lose hope. We all are with you. Coming days will be Congress days. I request all the students. Today what we have faced the problems. Coming election is the biggest election. We have got the right to vote. Right to vote is our right. No one can take that right. That day every student come out of vote and vote for right, vote for the correct party. So which party which supports us, which party which comes on roads and fight for us, we need to support that party. It's very sad to see that today total colleges are being corrupted by this TRS government. Every college is being run behind the camp of Pragati Bhavan. Every college is being corrupted. Total A to Z colleges in Telangana are being corrupted by TRS government. Ministers, MLAs, MPs, they are running the college. No college management is available today. College management is TRS party. So I request all the students, today what problem we have faced, we are ready to face such a problem. We are ready to die for the students. We are ready to go to any limit for the fights of the student. You can't stop our voice. If you want to keep cases, we are ready. You keep cases, but you can't fight. We are ready. We will fight anywhere. If any student is suffering, we are NSUI, National Students Union of India, is with students, to the students, for the students, by the students. And the thing we have seen is, after many years, it's not the saddest thing, it's a good thing. After many years, police can see ambulance today. In our protest, police have, I'm feeling very much happy that police have observed ambulance today. Police have observed ambulance today. Police have not observed ambulance when KCR convoy was going. Police have not observed ambulance when Modi convoy was going. Police have not observed ambulance when TRS MLAs, ministers, MPs convoys was going. But when police have observed ambulance, when NSUI students have came on road and protested, so police have observed ambulance. They have arrested us. They have arrested us for you people have made ambulance wait. Write a letter. What will be the responsibility? So I question to the Telangana police that why you will stop? Who has given you the right to stop ambulance when CM convoy is going? Who have given you a right to stop when MLA convoy is going? Who have given you right to stop ambulance? Who have given you right? That is not a patient. That patient is not in a critical condition. Today's patient who are in ambulance, they are in critical condition. You should look at this. I request all the students, please open your eyes. Everyone, they are dumping us from each and every aspect. They are you can't test our voice, KCR. You can't test the voice of the students. You can't stop the voice of the students. How much ever you try to stop the voice will be more stronger. The slogans will be more stronger, and each and students are ready. They are ready to fight. We have got voting right. Every student have crossed 18 years of age. They have seen the situation today. The coming days will be Congress days. NSUI. Jai Telangana, Jai NSUI, Jai Congress.